The following is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day after the market close. Tom takes your phone calls from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time using the data available at that time.
Let's go to Glenn in Massachusetts. Hey, Glenn, what's going on?
You know what is good for us is Tom O'Brien providing an unbiased source of information for us investors. You don't have an agenda. It's just to cut through everything and to give us the facts. I want to thank you.
No, I appreciate it, man.
And now, here's Tom O'Brien.
Well, welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. Well, 5 days a week, we go 2 hours a day, we go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, safe day. Let's make it a great night. And, you know, folks, we have thousands of tigers and tigresses out there. And today, unfortunately, one of our tigers, their son, he died last Sunday. And they're having the service right now. And it's Brendan Myers from Costa Rica. Great guy. He was Charlie, who is one of our tigers, came to like 3 different Master Trader Series. Brendan, who was in a wheelchair, great kid. He was like 21. He used to listen to the show every day. Bottom line is that we just heard just now. In fact, I was just online. It's pretty amazing. You can actually go online and be at the service, which is just amazing. Well, anyway, we're sending all our prayers out to him, all our white light out to him, and we're going to miss Brendan big time. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Let your heart speak. The heart is in direct communication with the human soul. And when the heart speaks, even with the resistance of the head, something inside you changes. Your heart opens another heart, and true love is possible. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow up 124, Nasdaq up 20, S&P's up 11, gold contract down 550, trading at $1,429 an ounce. Silver up 13 cents at $35.99 an ounce. Platinum down $16 at $1,803 an ounce. Copper up a penny at $4.34 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1, trading at $105.67 a barrel. Bonds off 21 ticks at 118.17. Dollar index up 29 ticks at 76.80. Euro down 65 ticks at 139. Yen up 43 ticks, trading out at 82.66. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We go up 11 points. You do 1 billion shares. You're going against the 1 billion shares from yesterday. You're actually going against the 2 separate downdrafts that were out there. You're going against March 1st, which is 1.187. You're going against the 22nd of February, which was the 1322. This is building cars, folks, to get to lower prices. That's your S&P. Dow Industrials, you take a look at the Dow. What you have with the Dow, same type of setup. Dow goes up $1.24. We're at 12,214. We go look at the SPY, the SPY. What you have with the SPY is this. We had come down on the 22nd of February with 233 million. You come down March 1st with 258 million. What do we do today? You're basically going up with 149. The composite, NASDAQ composite. This is the weaker indice out here, no doubt. Composite today goes up $20. You're trading at a price point out there of $27.65. What is it doing? What we're doing is this. You're going into the downdraft also of the 1st of March. That 1st of March, we had a downdraft of 2.2 billion. You're going into the downdraft of the 22nd of February, which was 2.2 billion also. NASDAQ is up today on 1.8 billion. We go into the 4Qs. You take a look at the 4Qs. What we have with the 4Qs is that you come down on the 22nd with 92 million. You come down on the 1st with 91 million, and you're going up today with 58. Doesn't fly, folks. And inside the NDX 100, this is what you have. What was putting juice into it today was Oracle, Microsoft, Cognizant Technologies, and DirecTV. Which was taken away from it was Urban Outfitters, Qualcomm, Amazon, and Vertex Pharmaceutical. If we go over to the Kingpin, inside the NDX 100, there wasn't much action out there, flat market. In Apple. Apple went sideways today with 12 million shares traded. That's after coming south yesterday with 19 million. That's after coming south on the 18th with 29 million. And you can go back to January. It was downtown there with 67 million. The bond market. We go take a look at bonds. What we have out here with bonds is this. Bond market out here today. She pulls back slightly, 21 ticks with 260,000 contracts. She's coming into, 300,000 contracts, 392,000 contracts. She's going to need a lot more downdraft conviction in order to basically get to lower price. The bonds right now are building cause to get into the 121 to 122 area. If we go take a look at the gold market, what we had with gold out here today, sideways moving gold. We had a high out there of 1437.20. A low of 1423. We did 115,000 contracts. Right now, she traded, she's at 1429.10. Dollar index, okay, so check it out. What the dollar did out here yesterday is this. The dollar had come down to the November 4th time frame. It rejected that level down there. The rejection was at a price point. We had gone to 76.14. We got under the 76.17, rejected the deal, rejected it with lighter volume. Today just moved slightly higher, not no big deal. The dollar first, this index has to get back inside 77, number one. What I expect you're going to see here, though, is that you're going to get into the 78.98 pretty quickly. That 78.98 is the 14th of February level. We'll see what kind of conviction we have as we get into that level to see if it can get up on into the 81 level. Inside the commodity market out here today, you had cotton was down 3%. You had wheat off 2 6/10. Gasoline was off 2%. You had heating oil off 1%. Corn was off 1.6%. So those commodities were basically getting hit. They were getting hit right across the board. We go take a look at the silver market. What you have out here with silver. Silver right now, she got to a price point today of $36.55. She's at $35.98 right now. You're dealing with 65,000 contracts out there. And when we had hit a high out here, we had hit that high yesterday of $36.74 with 83,000. So I suspect that high is going to get tagged again out there at that $36.74 level. We go up and we take a look at the oil market, CLK1. What we did with oil out here, folks, the oil. What we did with oil out here, she got into the 107.08 area. She's at 105.70 right now, and yeah, she looks to me she looks to me like she's basically died on the vine up here right now. She wants to pull back to about this 99.84 area, so it's going to be wild watching how this whole thing will shake out. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Now, that update, folks, that I do each and every day, you can get that full update on YouTube. We put it on there every day. You just go to our channel on YouTube. It's TFNN Corp. TFNN Corp. That update is there with all the charts, folks. And, of course, that update every day is approximately 10 minutes. Let's go to Jim in Massachusetts. Hey, Jim, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, how you doing?
I'm doing great. You having a good day out there?
Yeah, I did all right today.
That's good.
So what I did was I was long BAC, and then I shorted it right at the end of the day. What's your thoughts on that?
Okay, so let's take a look at it. We get Bank of America, folks. The low's 1091, the high's 1986. I would have let it go higher here. I mean, you had volume come in this, so now it wants to go tag that swing point. So let's take a look at it. You get Bank of America had a high out there at 1531, 282 million up there. It comes downtown with 300 million on the 25th to 1340. Goes back uptown again. And see when you're at the 14, it's not that bad. The 1495, you get 112 million. So yeah, you're pretty close to it. I mean, that's the first level there, Jim. Okay, that the last time it was up there died in the vine at that 1495.15. But
yeah,
just remember something: when you go up and you have an acceleration of volume, which we did, right? It's
Right.
It just wants to tag a swing point. Think of this. You know, you had a 3-family house, right? And folks, whether you go up the stairs or down the stairs, think about how many times do you ever go up and you stop in the middle of the stairs before you get to the platform. That's kind of how the market works too.
Yeah.
It just wants to go to the platform. Well, what ends up happening is this. Let's put it this way: at the platform, you have a test that occurs, and then when that test occurs, the probability is better for you to either put the trade on or not put the trade on.
What was the volume on it today?
Well, it went up. It was 248 million. And see, it's only going into 98 million. So you never like to see that if you're going to short a stock.
Yeah.
Okay, man. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Let's go to Andy in Long Island. Hey, Andy, what's going on?
Hey, Tom. Nice talking to you again.
You too, man. How you been?
Yeah, okay.
Good.
Had a good day, too.
That's a beautiful thing, man.
Thank you. Endeavor Silver.
Okay.
I'd like your take on that.
Let's take a look. You got Endeavor Silver. This is a small cap mining company focused on production in Mexico. So let me see here. Okay. The EDRCN. I just want to see. Okay, so they're producing now. They're producing 20 million a quarter. Okay, so EXK. Okay, so you have this acceleration up, folks. Okay, this took a B point out, took it out with volume. That was on the 1st of March. Now, do you own this? You're looking to buy it? What are we doing here?
Oh, I own 2,000, but I want to buy more.
Okay.
I got in at the $7.50 range.
Okay.
Only 2 weeks ago, too.
Okay, so let me just see something. So you get $7.50. You get $3. That's $5 A to B. So that's $10.40, and you hit $10.09 today. You don't do it yet.
No.
But
Okay.
you just finished one ABC up, and then of course you just went up 40% in 7 days.
Yeah, I know. Really shut up, straight line.
That's a big number, man. It's gonna need a breather, man.
Oh. Okay, thanks, Tom.
Okay, have a great one. Have a safe one. It's Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. We had the Dow finish up 124. Nasdaq up 20. S&P's up 11.5. We're going to be right back, folks.